Students, so Ismail is here, the motivational speaker and the managing director of Eagle English Language Academy. And today I would like to post a video just to discuss a very special point, and that's about correct pronunciation. And through my this very short clip and among my all parts of speech videos, I wanna help the great veteran and the treasure of knowledge to understand every single, learner of English to learn correct pronunciation. And today in my this short clip, I have to teach you all the correct pronunciation of the letter G and the correct pronunciation of the letter C. So firstly, the letter G. Students, the letter G has two different sounds to pronounce, right? Hard sound and soft sound. So, let's look at some words that begin with the letter G and make us hard sound, which is G, after G, when there isn't the letter of I, E, or Y, so it will always give us the hard sound, which is G. For example, gaze, good, or game, or goal. So in these all examples, the letter G gave us hard sound, which is G. Because there isn't E, there isn't I, there isn't Y after the letter G. That's why it gave us hard sound, which is G. Goal, good. Okay. So now let's look at some words that begin with the letter G and make the soft sound, which is J. If there comes after G, I, E, or Y, so the letter G will give a soft sound, which is J. For example, gentle, gymnastic, energy, gem, germ. So in these all words, the letter G gave us the soft sound, which is J. So that's all about the letter G, and I hope there will be no problem for every one of you to pronounce the letter G, right? Now let's look the letter C. The letter C has also two different sounds to pronounce, okay, which is S and K. So after C, when there comes I, E, or Y, so the letter C will give us soft sound, which is S. Now let's look at some words that begin with the letter C and make soft sound, which is S. Cell, center, okay, cycle, city. And these all words, the letter C gave us soft sound, which is S. Now let's look at some words that begin with the letter C and make strong or hard sound, which is K. Car, can, castle, or you can say circle. Let's look this word circle. Circle. After C, this I. Therefore, the first two letters give us soft sound, which is S. And in this word there are two C's. And second C gave us hard sound, which is K, because there is no E, I, and Y after this letter. That's why it gave us hard sound, which is K. Circle. Cycle. Look at the word cycle. In first two letters, the first C gave us soft sound, which is S, because there is Y after C, and the second C gave us hard sound, which is K, because there is no I, E, or Y after that letter. Look at cycle, circle. So that's all in today's video, and I hope that you will get much benefit from today's lecture. Wait for coming video and wish you all the best.